Warning. The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Hot chicken, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Fire.
Twigs.
Yeah.
Circle boy and block all that shit.
Got the lamb.
So y'all ready to on the way back?
We can. How the fuck my cook going before I start the song? Never by myself, I got the stick and I'm not alone. Oh, what I get you, little women, I can buy you crown. Not for real, like, that shit don't make sense to me. I'm drunk as hell, tryna fuck this little bitch tryna vent to me. Dog, so we got 3K for a verse, low key tipping me. Not because I need it, I just bought how much my ring gon' be. Come on, how much my ring gon' cost. Neck reaching to get a nigga, whole wrist blew up. Real starter with me, I can tell you how much your window costs. I've been feeling good all day, you can come over, bitch, you better not piss me off.
What's good with you guys, man? We are back at it with another banger today. Today we're going to the Modded Detroit opener meet with Houston's Hot Chicken, and it's their grand opening. They're giving out free food. They said there's going to be like 2,000 cars, and they invited me to be VIP, so we're going to head out there, get going. I'm in a little bit of a rush as always. That's why I'm in the car already ready to go, but let's get going. Alright, so you guys already know it wouldn't be a SRT Domo video if we were not at the gas station. So we just got gas, and another thing I wanted to show you guys is this wheel I got. Shout out to Vikrez for sponsoring me this wheel. Completely custom LED. You can change all these too, which is really sweet. I usually leave it on this one that shows your RPMs, and I'm not sure what this is, honestly, because it changes often. It's weird. Yeah, this is a new wheel, you feel me? Red carbon fiber. Alright, you guys, so right now we're going to pick up Dame. Josh and Ted are currently at the wash. Some more people are going to the wash. I was gonna go to the wash, and then Dame was gonna meet me there, but he wasn't gonna be able to get there till late. And he's riding with me up there, and I gotta be up there early just for the VIP or whatever. So I gotta be there like an hour early. So I'm going to grab Dame now, and then we're heading to the meet. Alright, you guys, we just made it to the meet. There wasn't really too much going on the freeway, because we were trying to see if everyone could catch up to us on the way here, but everyone was too slow. We got the 300 over there. This cool vet we parked up to, but we're about to go use the bathroom and stuff real quick and get situated. We just got done eating food, got all situated and everything. Now we're over here watching everybody pull in. Josh and them should be pulling in any second, and then we'll really get cracking.
Hot chicken, 10 out of 10. Fire, not even gonna lie.
That was fire. It was a chicken sandwich we got for free. It was like the first 150 people, but it was really good. And the fries too.
5 hours later.
There go Tez. AP behind him.
Where the parking spots at?
Yes, AP.
Hey, AP!
Alright, y'all, we jumping in. Oh, shit.
Go quick.
I just broke in here. We got AP. How you feeling, dog? How was the drive?
Great.
Let him hear the beamer.
I'm the rolling
Alright, Teddy's new Camaro. How you feeling, Ted?
Day
You
2,
like it so
almost
far?
crashed. Almost crashed. We almost crashed.
Day 2. Yup. Hold it. Hold it.
You ready?
I ain't gonna lie, this bitch rocking.
Okay.
I gotta record all the purple cars I see. It's a rarity.
I like that.
Alright, you guys, we're making our way through the rounds now.
I see stuff on my shroom. Damn, he's recording.
Oh my god! Wow!
I think it's got like
I
more
like
power.
that blue. Got a cat. G.
It's a hard M3.
GT500 RT. We got the Lamb, the Maserati. Look at the neighbors we got.
What's up, going on? You good, bro?
Hell yeah.
Chilling? Pretty famous. Yeah, bro.
Fucking ghost.
It's been cold outside, bro. Hibernate. It feels good today, bro. Oh, Zach? There he always is. There he always is. What you doing, boy? All right, y'all boys. We back at it. We with Dom Camera. You know what I mean? We out here with the crew. Oh my God! Damn, my Scott. Fucking move.
Floyd said, fuck T.I., fuck Nelly, fuck 50. I'm like, what did he say fuck me for?
That's a nice
Hey, got Zach just came in here, you know what I mean? What? So we about to get to it. What you driving today, Zach? Passenger. This. I would say, yeah. That's mine. Cameraman Donnie.
Doms. With his car. Good little E-Ray. Damn, the black and red license plate though? I don't know what I got on camera. I'm just here to be here. Yo, Ted. Shut that shit up. What is this? I know it's a Beamer. Teddy. What is this? Beamer guy? Is this it? E92, right?
Nope. I think it's at 55, bro.
For real?
Yeah. Cause my intakes aren't over here. Or it's a different year.
It's not bad though. Red guts.
It's a pressure washer. Bro, I gotta go find a bathroom. Let's just skip the line through Houston Hot Chicken. So you're probably fucking line for the bathroom in there too.
Damn.
Blue Trackhawk.
Oh, gap his ass.
Teddy, go around calling everybody else. You can go lock in a race.
Let's lock some shit in. What's up?
So y'all racing on the way back?
We can.
60 in the 40-year-old?
Day 2 of the car though. I realize that. Gotta get used to it.
You gotta learn how to downshift and then kick that bitch up.
Pop, pop, bang, bang.
Pop, pop, bang, bang.
Pops are wild on that.
Pop, pop, bang, bang, nigga. Cam, so what do we have here, Cam? Come here. Cam, what do we have?
Some fast shit.
Some fast shit?
Sounds like a good
Damn. You got ZR1.
Nice as hell though.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this camera heavy as shit.
We're late. Donnie is so funny.
Well, fuck it, we ball. I'm right on that.
Hey, I already can't see over my hood. I can imagine that.
How the hell does he get in this? Am I zoomed in or zoomed out? That's what's up. These rims nice as hell. Is that camera worthy? I don't see a turbo, do you?
Oh, we're in the wrong part.
Bro, he's got a headlight delete with no turbo.
Boy, if you don't get
I got the door handle.
Look at the
Damn, bro.
Interior too. Look at the fucking
carbon mirror, carbon little, what, I don't know, whatever that thing is. Damn, carbon trunk?
all the carbon costs
like 12 bands.
Shit.
I'm not done though. I just bought like carbon fenders and I'm buying a carbon roof cap.
Really?
Damn.
It's kind of scratched because I've kind of fucked it up, but.
Well, black nigga in the track.
Cosmetics and everything else.
Okay.
This also is LED right here.
Is it really?
Yeah, I haven't wired it.
I don't know if I'm doing this right, but got a little, what is this, a Plymouth? I don't know shit about these. Damn. Age in the back. Like, damn. This bitch got a fat ass tire. Yeah, this for show old Don.
RTR Mustang, man. Chill out. Chill out.
Wide body charge, you got the little cat. Red guts. Up to your steering wheel.
Well.
Another wide body cat. What the hell? Look at the front. What the hell are those? Yuck. That's nasty. That diffuser and the things in the front is nasty. Camera plant. Oh. Fat neck ass nigga.
Fuck you.
Up or what, Adrian?
Josh?
Damn. So right now we got Ted versus Adrian trying to negotiate some more. Somebody's on corn. Look at this Urus. I need one day. We got Josh's shit. I always see him around. That's the hardest shit I've ever seen. Alright, you guys, we're about to head out of the meet now. Everyone's pretty much dipping out. We're about to go move to the next spot. Probably hit a gas station, get a drink and stuff first. Yeah, BP. That's so crazy seeing, dog.
That I need motivation.
All right, good luck. Holy shit, I did not think we'd ever see you guys again.
I know, right? What the hell?
Bet you guys, we done hit the probably third gas station in this video, but we're about to go hit Belle Isle now, then probably head back, but we're about to see what's going on over there. to Belle Isle. Huh? Yeah, as you guys can see, we made it. We still got everybody pulling up. I got a sequel takeover. I'm not gonna lie, this view is so nice over here. What's this?
You're in his way. Get the fuck out of his way.
Watch out, Zach.
You ain't gonna do it.
I want to see.
Hey, hey!
First try. What the fuck?
Can we get a kickflip?
You got balls.
He about a kickflip. Hey!